In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage landing pages in HubSpot CRM. We'll begin by signing into HubSpot and heading into your account dashboard. Once you're in, open the Content section from the main navigation menu. Inside Content, select Landing Pages to access the area where all of your landing pages are created, stored, and managed. From there, click Create Landing Page to start a new page. HubSpot will prompt you to select a landing page template. Choose the template that best fits your goal, whether that's lead generation, event registration, or promoting an offer. After that, choose a theme style. This controls the general visual direction of the page, so pick one that matches your brand and keeps the design clean and professional. Next, click the template you want to use, and HubSpot will open the landing page editor. In the editor, enter a landing page name so it's easy to identify later in your dashboard. Then add your logo to help reinforce your branding right away. Now it's time to customize the content. Edit the headline so it clearly communicates the main value or offer of the page. Then update the landing page content with concise, persuasive copy that supports your message and guides visitors toward taking action. You can also add images to make the page more visually engaging and relevant to your offer. To capture leads, add forms where needed. Make sure your form is placed in a clear, easy-to-find area and only asks for the information you truly need. After that, add call-to-action buttons that stand out and use direct language so visitors know exactly what to do next. Once the core elements are in place, customize the page layout. Adjust spacing, sections, and module placement so the page feels organized and easy to scan. Then review the landing page design carefully to make sure everything looks consistent and polished. When you're ready, click Preview to see how the page will appear to visitors. Review the landing page preview closely and check that the text, images, forms, and buttons all display correctly. If everything looks good, click Save, then click Publish to make the page live. After publishing, confirm that the landing page is live and working as expected. To manage your pages later, open the landing page's dashboard. From there, open an existing landing page whenever you need to make updates. Edit the landing page content, save the changes, and then republish the landing page so the updated version goes live. Finally, monitor landing page performance in HubSpot so you can track views, submissions, and overall results. This helps you understand what's working and where improvements can be made. Thanks for watching.